Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate without cocoa powder. First, gather your ingredients: cocoa butter, a sweetener like powdered sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. You'll also need a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. We'll then move on to melting and mixing these components carefully. Finally, we'll discuss tempering and setting your homemade chocolate for a perfect finish. To begin, you'll need high-quality cocoa butter, which provides the rich base for your chocolate. Next, powdered sugar is vital for sweetness and a smooth texture. Granulated sugar can make it gritty. A small amount of vanilla extract will elevate the flavor, and just a tiny pinch of salt helps to balance and deepen the overall taste of your homemade treat. Start by gently melting your cocoa butter using a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Once melted, gradually whisk in the powdered sugar until the mixture is completely smooth and lump-free. Then, stir in your vanilla extract and the small pinch of salt. Continue mixing until all ingredients are thoroughly combined, creating a uniform and glossy liquid chocolate. For a professional look and snap, temper your chocolate by carefully cooling and reheating it to specific temperatures. Once tempered, pour the liquid chocolate into your desired molds, ensuring an even distribution. Gently tap the molds to release any air bubbles. Finally, chill the chocolate in the refrigerator until it is completely firm. Then unmold and enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.